Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a Netherlands visa invitation letter. This letter is a formal document written by a resident of the Netherlands inviting a foreign national to visit the country. It is typically required when applying for a tourist or short-stay Schengen visa and helps demonstrate the purpose of the visit. You'll start by entering your full name, address in the Netherlands, phone number and email. This identifies you as the host. Then, add the current date. Address the letter to the visa officer at the Embassy of the Kingdom of the Netherlands, followed by the embassy's address. Include a clear subject line stating the purpose of the letter, such as invitation letter for tourist visa, visitor's full name. Begin the letter with a respectful salutation like "Dear Sir, Madam." After that, write, "I am writing to invite my relation, e.g. friend, sister, visitor's full name, holding passport number, visitor's passport number, to visit me in the Netherlands for a short stay from start date to end date. I am a legal resident of the Netherlands currently residing at the address mentioned above. The purpose of their visit is purely tourism and to spend quality time together. During their stay, I will ensure their accommodation, transportation and daily expenses are fully covered. Visitor's full name will return to their home country after the visit and has no intention of overstaying their visa. They are employed at company name university and have family obligations that require them to return. I respectfully request you to kindly consider their visa application and grant them a short-stay Schengen visa. Thank you for your time and kind consideration. Sincerely, your full name, signature." Here's our sample Netherlands visa invitation letter. You'll notice how it clearly explains the purpose of the visit, outlines the relationship between the host and the visitor. The letter's respectful tone and structured format help ensure a smooth review process by the embassy. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective immigration and travel support letters.